Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurul Azli binti Mustafa and my number matric is H21A2562. Abstract. Our main goal is to apply accounting fundamentals. As a result, we'll be able to practice in our daily lives. So, in our group assignment, there is 7 students from various backgrounds make up our community. As a result, we strive to produce excellent final reports. After some observation, we finally get a result from our discussion and from a slide that we have been taught from lecturer that help us with the assignment. So, accounting is required for a prosperous society, and there is also several examples in accounting. Last but not least, all the information that our group received was quite beneficial in helping us to complete this accounting task. So, our assignment complete the transaction for 1 month.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nafatin Idayu binti Rozi. My matric number is H21A2410. Now, me and the group member would like to present about case study 3. Introduction. Accounting is the activity of communicating financial information of a business entity to interest us as a shareholder and managers. Accounting, or better known as the specialist of account in school, is a process of measurement, disclosure, and provision of information just to help the management of a business make decision that need to be taken in their business, especially in terms of reason or location. In particular, accounting is interested into 2 basic branches, namely financial accounting and management accounting. Financial accounting involves the process by which the financial information of a business is recorded, classified, informated, interpreted, and like it. Objective. Number 1, to maintain for a systematic record of business transaction. Number 2, to estimate for profit or loss of the business. And last, number 3, to provide accounting information to the interactive practice.
My table number 1 and my matric numbers is H21A2181, and today I would like to give an explanation about the journal. Before that, let's start. Our journal start at 10 October to 30 October. For 10 October, we we start with our first transaction to start the business at RM60,000 ringgit in the account. There have 2 type of account, which is capitals and cash. For cash is debit and capital is credit, and the value for this 2 type of account is RM60,000. So the reason why we are using these 2 type of this account is to make our asset and capital increase. So on 30 October, the transaction for this for this day is commission receivers check, and the total for this check is RM5,000. We have received this check from bank and commission at the same values. So the reason is to make our capital and revenues increase. So next, I would like to giving an explanation about ledger account. We have 17 type of different account, which is bank account, cash account, sale account, purchases account, furniture account, capital modern furniture account, stationery barat account, stationery account, zahir receivable account, sale return account, interest expensive account, electricity, and machinery account. For example, I will take sale account as the example. At 31 October, the balance of CF or the balance carried forward are RM31,000. in 16 October, which is the cash is RM 15,000 ringgit and 80,000. And at 18 October, the account received at RM 10,000. So at 29 October, the cash in our account is RM 6,000. So the total for all this amount are RM 31,000 ringgit. And at 31 October, the balance for BF or brought down account is have changed to RM 10,000 because of the our furnitures at 11 October. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Statement for the Tribunal Mr. Roy Enterprise. For the case, 49,900. For the sale, 31,000. Per case, 45,000. Furniture, 10,000. Capital, 60,000. Modern furniture, 10,000. Stationery barat, 1,000. For the stationery, 1,000. Zahir Khan resides 10,000. Commission, 5,000. Bison and Co payable 25,000. 6,000. Withdraw 3,000. Office expenses. Able 3,000. Sale return 2,000. Interest expense 2,000. Electricity expense 100. Machinery for the total debit and credit is 132,000. Prepare the statement profit and loss. Mr. Roy Enterprise trading and profit and loss account for the year end 31 December 2022. For the sale 31,000 less the return minus 2,000. Net sale 49,000. Per case 45,000. The total of sale, less sale, and net sale minus 45,000. Gross loss minus 60,000 and commission 5,000. Interest expense 2,000. Electricity expense 100. Office expense 10,000. For the total of interest expense, electricity expense, and office expense is 12,100. Net loss minus 22,100.
Next is prepare the balance sheet statement. In Mrs. Roy Enterprise, the balance sheet start at 31 December 2022. Okay. First is non-current asset, there is furniture and machinery. Second, current asset, there is cash, stationery, account receivable, Zahir Khan, and the total asset is 69,900 ringgit. As you can see in the slide, in the third, there is also current liabilities. In current liabilities, there is account payable, which is modern furniture, stationery barat, and Vicent and Co. And the total current from liabilities is 33,900 ringgit. And lastly, owner equity. In owner equity, there is capital, which is drawing or withdraw, and net loss. So the total of the owner equity is 33,900.
Hello, my name is Siti Norazila binti Muhammad. My metric number is H21A2666. I will continue to explain the 7 things that have in profit and loss statement. The first component is sale revenue. In the context of accounting, sale revenue refers to the income received by a company from its sales of goods or the provisions of service. For these situations, Mr. Roy has booked furniture for modern furniture and machinery. The second components are the cost of sale. The cost of sale for manufacturer is mean the cost of its finished goods in its beginning inventory plus the cost of goods manufactured during the accounting period minus the cost of finished goods in ending inventory. The cost of sales that happens to Mr. Roy is when he must buy the other raw materials to make the furniture. The third component are the gross profit. Gross profit is the profit for a company after making a deducting for the costs associated with making and sell the product that produced by them. The fourth components are income. The profitability that has been compiled using the equal basis of accounting was called accounting. Furthermore, the third components are expenses, and expenses is the cost of operations that a company incurs to generate revenue. Last but not least, the last components are the net profit, the amount of money from your business earned after deducting all operating, interest and tax expenses over the period of time are the net profit.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Hafiza Teacher Abdul Ghani. My metric number is H21A2419. I will present about the usefulness of the balance sheet statement. The balance sheet in accounting also known as the statement of financial position or statement of financial condition, which is a summary of the financial balance of an individual or organizations. Whether so for partnership, business partnership, corporations, private limited company or other. There are four components in balance sheet statements: asset, current assets, liabilities, and owner equity. The first one is asset. There are two fixed assets, namely non-current asset and current assets. PPE, such as property, plant, and equipment are fixed assets functions for continued and long-term use to make a profit in the business. Next, current assets are cash and other assets that are expected to be converted into cash or used within a years of operation cycle without interfering with the building activity of the companies. During the operation of the company, this asset will always be handed over. The third one is liabilities. Salary, expenses, and account payable, including money on the vendor, monthly utilities, and other expenses are short-term liabilities. Working capital is calculated by subtracting current assets from current liabilities. And the last one is owner equity. Owner equity refers to the owner right to the company asset. Is what is left over for the owner after all the liabilities have been deducted from the assets.
My name is Muhammad Firdaus bin Halim. My metric number is H21A2220. Today, I want to present about conclusion. Overall, accounting is an important process in every business done to make sure everything runs smoothly. Moreover, knowing about accounting is also very important as it is closely related to the performance of whatever business is done. Besides, the success of a company depends not only on asset is whole, but also on the accounting expertise processed by the dealer. Dealer need to increase more revenue by increasing transactions such as making trial balance, balance sheet, sale and other, but not its operation. Finally, the owner also need to do various activities to promote the business such as online advertising, which is Facebook, Instagram, Google and so on, so that the business is more successful and lasts longer. That's all. Thank you.